Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Natasya Miranda Gihar and I'm going to explain to you about future continuous tense. Okay, without wasting much time, let's go to the material. Okay, now let's take a look to the definition of future continuous tense. As we can see that future continuous tense is a combination of simple future tense and continuous tense. Future continuous tense is a form of verb to express events that are taking place in the future or time with specific time information, or sentences that use this tense have a time duration. Because future continuous tense express events with specific time information, so the adverb of time must express specific time information. So these are the adverb of times. Next is the formula of future continuous tense. First, we will discuss the verbal sentence of this tense. But verbal sentence divided into two, active voice and passive voice. So here is the pattern of active voice. For the positive sentence, we can add subject plus will as the auxiliary plus be as the to be and plus verb 1 plus ing or ing plus object or complement. Take a look for the example. She will be coming to your farewell party next week. She as the subject, will plus be plus coming, verb 1 plus ing, and to your farewell party next week as the object or complement. So next is the negative pattern. They are subject plus will plus not plus be plus verb 1 plus ing or ing plus object or complement. The example is, she will not be coming to your farewell party next week. She as subject plus will plus not plus be plus coming or verb 1 plus ing plus object or complement to your farewell party next week. And for the interrogative sentence, we can add will plus subject plus be plus verb 1 plus ing or ing plus object or complement and question mark. The example is, will she be coming to your farewell party next week? So, what about the passive voice? For passive voice, we can put subject plus will plus be plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus object for the positive pattern. For the example, we can make passive voice from the active voice before. The example is, your farewell party will be being come by her next week. So your farewell party as the subject plus will plus be plus being plus come as the verb 3 and plus by plus her as the object and next week as the complement. So for the negative pattern, we can put subject plus will plus not plus be plus being plus verb 3 plus by and plus object. For the example, your farewell party will not be being come by her next week. So what about the interrogative pattern? We can put will plus subject plus be plus being plus verb 3 plus by and plus object and also question mark. The example is, will your farewell party be being come by her next week? Next is the nominal sentence. Nominal sentence of future continuous tense use the same formula as simple future tense. Here is the formula. For the positive sentence, we can put subject plus will plus be plus complement. The example, my team will be ready at 10 o'clock. My team as the subject plus will plus be plus ready as the adjective or complement. And for the negative sentence, we can put subject plus will plus not plus be plus complement. The example, my team will not be ready at 10 o'clock. My team as a subject plus will plus not plus be plus ready at 10 o'clock as the complement. For the interrogative sentence, we can put will plus subject plus be plus complement. The example, Will my team be ready at 10 o'clock? Will plus my team as the subject plus be plus ready at 10 o'clock as the complement. So when exactly we use future continuous tense? First, we use it to show events in progress at a particular time in the future. Take a look for the example. My mom will be calling you at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. So 8 o'clock tomorrow morning is the particular time, so we use future continuous tense. Second is if there is interrupted action in the future. For example, I will be playing games when he arrives today. So, when he arrives today is the interrupted action. Next is to make polite inquiries about someone's plans without wishing to influence those plans. For example, will Carla be coming home? Will Rani be watching for the football tonight? So, it shows that the sounds is more polite. Fourth, future continuous is used to predict future. For the example, our team is losing 3-0. My dad will be going crazy. So my dad will be going crazy as the predict the future. So we can use future continuous tense. And the fifth, for the arrangement. So if we have a plan or schedule, we can use future continuous tense. For the example, we'll be leaving at 10 o'clock. Sixth refers to an event that is currently happening, which we expect to happen in the future. For the example, Bima will be seeing Jenny at the conference next week. It means that Bima expects to see Jenny at the conference next week. Seventh, showing current events are still continuing in the future. For the example, in an hour, I'll still be ironing my clothes. So it's still continuing in an hour. Okay, maybe that's all that I can explain about future continuous tense. If there is a mistake in my words, I apologize. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.